What's up, my people? How you doing? My name is Dalton. This is my channel, and I'm gonna do a quick unboxing. There you go, right there. All right. Basically, it's a car mount. Okay. And believe it or not, I've been waiting to do this unboxing for a while. Pretty nice looking. You see? Okay. And this particular car mount is called. It's called hard to pronounce. iottie. Okay, and it's an easy one-touch five smartphone car mount for your dash and your windshield. So let's unbox this baby and see what it's about. Okay, got a good view of that. All right. Ooh. Let's open this up. Boom. See the flexibility of there? It goes. All right. It's a one-touch car mount. Pretty nice. Okay. Try to pop this box open here. Y'all know how I am when it comes to unboxing. Like it's the hardest one in the world. Now this car mount, I got it at Best Buy a little while back. Believe it or not, I got this at Best Buy a little while back. And it was on sale for 20 bucks. And I'm just now opening this up. Yes. I actually got this for a Christmas present for myself. I've been wanting to get a car mount for a long time. They are very useful. Not just for social media stuff, okay? For a lot of other things that I'll go into. Ooh. You have this. This is a car mount. Okay, got to put it together. Right here. I believe that's kind of like a magnet. All right. Comes with the manual. And of course, the car mount itself. That's pretty. That is really, really nice. Oh, gotta undo it in the back here. Take it off. Nice padding right there for your phone. iPhone or Android or even a cell. Nice. Flexible. Okay. Goes on the back here. Rolls that up. Okay. Not bad. Not bad. And it goes on your dash or your windshield. And it's a one touch, so you don't have to keep struggling with it. Put it on there, boom, go. Now, these are very useful. And the first thing most people come to mind is think of creating like videos, you know, social media videos of all types. But they can be used for a lot of other things too. Because sometimes when I'm traveling, I have to use either Google Maps or Apple Maps, or some form of maps, okay? And you don't want to keep looking down at your phone or whatever to see and make sure you're going the right direction. So you can use that, mount your phone, and use that as a GPS, okay? And that way your hands free. You just stay focused on what's in front and behind you when you're driving. It's more safer for you as well as other people around you that's on the road. Okay, so that's one thing. Two, you can use it for, of course, you can use it for if you're doing YouTube, Facebook, or whatever, making your videos so they're more stable, clear, and precise. You know, if you're out and about. or even if you use your car, you know what I'm saying? Because some people live with a lot of people and they do their videos from the car because it's a lot easier, okay? Instead of having to try to wait till everybody calm down and get quiet so they can do a video, create a video. Now, one other major thing you can do, and a lot of people don't think about this, is you can use that as your cam, C-A-M. And what I mean by that is, let's say you get pulled over by a police officer, okay? All you gotta do is immediately turn on your smartphone and start recording the whole entire incident. Things go sideways, someone lies about something, now you have their voice. You may not have their picture, but you got their voice and the whole interaction right there on your smartphone, okay? So it could save your butt, okay? Get you out of parking tickets or even something worse. And something to think about. For a price of $20, that's not bad. And then some of, you may, I don't know, I would check on Amazon, see if you can get it cheaper, but I got it from Best Buy for $20. So it really comes in handy to help you get to, to use it as a GPS, use it as hands-free. You can even talk to people. I would not say video chat, but you could talk to people and not have to use your hands and it's right there. I mean, you know what I'm saying? Answer that call. And you could just let your mind wander on all the positive possibilities you can use it for. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. All right. And I will try to find out, see if I could put a link below. So if you're interested in getting one for yourself, okay? It's a good investment. $20, people don't even think about it, but hey, if you're thinking about it, you got a traffic jam and there's a way around it, and you using your smartphone as GPS, have to get to work a good way. You need to go quicker, okay? All right? Even get alerts. You'll be able to catch those alerts that's come across. Okay, so again, I ask you to subscribe. I ask you to give this video a thumbs up, and I hope you enjoy it. And I sure help y'all later. Peace. Nice, stable, secure, works great. I like it.